Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to connect your Facebook pixel to your WordPress website. So for those of you who don't know what a pixel is, the pixel is a snippet or a code that is installed on your website from Facebook to your and it's installed on your website, and it helps Facebook to know when you are running advert what actions people take when they see the advert on Facebook and they go to your website. So this one specifically is for a WordPress website. And I'm going to let you know there are two major methods. We have the manual and we have the partner integration. So I'll take you through all the two. So first of all, when you come to your Facebook ad manager, go to the left hand side, you see all tools and you see event manager. So go to your event manager. Well, let's go to event manager. Okay, my event manager was loading. It has opened. Now when it opens, you go to data sources. Check all the pixels you have. So here, there are 3 pixels. I want to use this pixel. Now, when you come to the data sources and you don't have any pixel, you just click on connect to a data source and then select web and click next. And one will be automatically created for you. But for my case, I already have a pixel, so I don't need to create another one. You see set up conversion API and set up the meta pixel. This is the one we want. So I'll click on set up the meta pixel. You see install code manually and check for partner and all of that. So the one we are going for is the install code manually. So you see, go to pixel overview and then you see add event and all of that. Now this is the code that we're talking about, the one we really want to install. And when you come here, you see the code showing here. So you copy the code, okay, copy the code and then come to your before I even copy the code, you see it says the metapixel is a piece of code that you add to the header section of your website by copying and pasting the code below. The metapixel has 2 parts, the base code and the event code. So it says we should add it to the the header section of our website. So I've copied it, and then so the next step, as you see, is what paste the code into the bottom of the header section of your website, just above the head tag, and add the code to every page of your website. Okay. So you come here and then go to the plugins, click on add plugin, then type header and footer code manager. Okay, so this is the one I want, header and footer code manager. So you install, then you activate it. Then you come and look for it. This is it, header and footer code manager. Then you click on add new snippet. Then you type here header type Facebook pixel. So you come here, the snippet type is JavaScript. Then here make sure it's site wide, and then it shows on all devices and it's active. Okay, so you paste the code and then make sure you follow the instructions carefully, because when you make a mistake here, it can break down your whole website. Then you click on save. Yeah, so after you save it, come here to click on what, continue, and turn on advanced matching and click continue. Go to overview. Now you can test the event to see if the connection is really working. So when you come to test event, click on check website event, Then paste the website here, and then go to event. Take some form of action. So for example, I want to go to some page on the side, or come back to the home page and try to fill a form. You see, so I've taken some action. So as you can see, they are all processed. And so this means that the connection is successful and it's working now. You can now proceed. Make sure you can set up an ad campaign, but make sure that your pixel is connected to your ad account, and you can use that ad account to set up the advert. So let me show you as an example. When you come here, if you're not sure whether your ad account is connected to the pixel, you can go to your business settings. So this is the ad account I'm using for the advert. So I want to connect to an asset, so I'll click on connect asset. Okay, or let me come here, go to data sources, then you click on data set and pixels. This is the newest pixel, the one I just did. So connected assets. So you click on connect asset, then I'll select the ad account and I'll click on add. Good. So it's connected to the ad account. So now I can proceed to run ad campaigns. Now, if you follow this process and you are not able to do it successfully, you can follow the WhatsApp or the Telegram link in the description of this video to contact me for assistance. But this one is not for free. I offer personalized assistance, one-on-one. You can log into your you can book a Zoom meeting with me, and then you log into your account and we look at your problem and I'll solve it for you. But I charge to do that. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.